Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all doing well. Here's a video of a recent sound installation completed by John D from our workshop team, this time on this tiny Graham Farish N-Gauge Class 60. John installed a Zemo MX659 Next 18 sound decoder loaded with our ZS60 ASL Class 60 sound project for Zemo decoders and made use of the excellent factory fitted speaker. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, as always, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting your loco fitted with sound or non-sound decoders, please get in touch with our workshop team, either over the phone on 01522 527 731 or via email johng@digitrains.co.uk, or even better, pop into our shop which is situated in Lincoln, which is at 15 Clifton Street, LN5 8LQ. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.